Good morning everyone. In this video we will be just discussing the concept of flotation and sinking. So basically flotation and sinking होता क्या है? Flotation and sinking depends on two things, that is density of solid and density of liquid. उस solid की density पे depend करता है जिसको हमको पानी में dip करना है, and उस liquid की density पे depend करता है जिसमें हमको dip करना है. Now let us discuss the concept of flotation. The figure itself indicate कि एक solid है जो पानी के surface पे float कर रहा है. For the flotation there is one criteria, that the density of solid must be less than the density of liquid. That is, the density of solid must be less than the density of liquid, which indicates कि solid liquid से कम heavy होना चाहिए. अगर solid हल्का होगा, कम heavy होगा, तभी वो उस liquid पे float कर पाएगा. And here the liquid we have considered is water. From the formula of relative density we have density of solid upon density of water. अब हम flotation को relative density के concept में understand करेंगे. So from the criteria what we was having, density of solid was less than density of water. So just now we will try to make this in terms of relative density. Relative density के terms में अगर हमको इस criteria को बनाना है, so we will divide it wholly by density of water. इस condition को हमने density of water से divide कर दिया. So here the first one is density of solid upon density of water is less than density of water upon density of water. This will cancel out each other and we will be left with 1. And this we know is the formula for relative density. So here the relative density is less than 1. So what we have learned here is flotation तभी होगा जब relative density of that substance is less than 1. Then only the flotation condition will be there. So our next concept is of sinking. There the figure itself is given that a solid is dipped inside the liquid surface. So what was the condition in terms of sinking? The condition for the terms of sinking is the density of solid is greater than the density of liquid. That is, solid liquid से ज़्यादा denser होना चाहिए. That means solid liquid से ज़्यादा heavy होना चाहिए. Now again linking it with relative density, we have relative density is equals to density of solid upon density of water. Sinking का criteria is just opposite of that of flotation. In flotation, the density of solid was less than the density of water. In sinking, density of solid is greater than density of water. It means जिस solid को हम place कर रहे हैं पानी पे वो भारी है. भारी होगा तो वो नीचे बैठ जाएगा. Now again just creating the formula for relative density by this criteria. We have density of solid is greater than density of water. We are dividing it wholly by density of water just to make it a formula of relative density. Here we have density of solid upon density of water, which is relative density, and density of water and density of water will again cancel out each other and we will be left with 1. So in condition for sinking, what we have, relative density is greater than 1. What was the condition for flotation? Relative density was less than 1. अगर किसी substance के relative density 1 से कम होगी, that means अगर कोई भी solid की density liquid या water की density से कम है, that will be the criteria or the condition for flotation. On the other hand, if the relative density is greater than 1, or if the density of solid is greater than density of liquid, or if the solid is much heavier than that of water, then there will be a condition of sinking. So hope you understood it well, the concept of flotation and sinking. In our next video, I will just try to explain some more facts related to flotation and sinking.